Hello everyone, first we're gonna take hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, then dividing the hair into two, taking first layer and then adding it to the opposite side, and then taking the remaining hair and making a braid out of it and folding it. Next we're gonna take hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, then making a low ponytail, further converting it into a low shape bun by adding this beautiful blue clip, and you can see it's ready. Next, we are going to take a ponytail, adding a rubber band at the end, making a space in the middle, folding the pony and then making a bun out of it, adding this crystal clip for securing the hair. Next, we're going to grab all of the hair, folding it into a straight bun, then adding this butterfly clip for securing our bun tightly. Next, we are going to take this high pony and then dividing it into two. Then we're going to twist it out and roll it into a bun. Now add any clip as per your choice for securing it. Here we are adding this marble clip. Next, we're going to take a ponytail, adding this black clip for making it like this at one side. Then we're going to just secure it out into a bun by using this marble clip. Next, we're going to grab all of the hair and then making a straight bun out of it. Further secure it with any clip you want. Here we have added this beautiful purple clip. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and then folding it out like this. Then you can add any clip for securing it tightly and for the looks as well. Next, we're going to take some hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, taking the remaining hair, making a low ponytail out of it and folding it into a bun, and it is ready. Next, we're going to take all of the hair, adding this clip and then making a bun out of it, and now you can see it's ready and looking so good and beautiful. Next, we're going to take a low ponytail and then adding this clip at the end. Then we're going to lift it up and then folding it into a bun and adding this clip. Now your hairstyle is done. Next, we're going to take a ponytail, dividing it into two, then twisting it out, folding it into a round shape bun. Then at the end, we're going to add this butterfly clip for securing the hair. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and then fold it out by using this clutcher, and now you can see you are done with your hairstyle. Next, we're going to take a low ponytail, adding a rubber band at the end, and then we're going to fold it out inwardly like this and adding this clip at the middle. Next, we're going to take this ponytail, dividing it into two and then simply folding it out into a round shape bun and then adding this clutcher at one side for securing it. Next, we're going to take all the hair and then making a pony. Then at the end, we're going to add this clip and converting the pony into a round shape bun like this, and it's ready.